Being united today is an obligation. It's an obligation upon Muslims, especially today, to come together. Ibn Mas'ud said, what you dislike in unity is better than what you like in division. Being divided, you like that, you want to have, it's you, I am, it's only I, me. But you want to be divided, you like that. What you like in division, he said, what you dislike in unity, the difference that you might have is better than what you like in division. This is what we need to understand today. Being united today is an obligation. It's an obligation upon Muslims, especially today, to come together. You will not be able to defeat your soul, the shaitan, things around you, the problems that are going on. Every problem, you're not able to do it by yourself. You're just one individual. But together, you're 1.6 billion. Imagine other people are coming with you too. 1.6 billion being united, other supports are coming. What great victory are you gaining? And this is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said. He says, do not be like the nations who have came before you. What happened to them? They lost, they were defeated because they were divided. This is the main point.